Did you know? The roller in your pellet machine wears out over time. If it's not replaced, it can mess up your pellets. Today, we're showing you how to install roller. It's a bit detailed, so make sure to save this video for later. Let's get started.